So this is the second part of the quiz. Listen.
嗰個幾錢？嗰個幾錢？嗰個幾錢？
Okay, the second one.
買幾多？買幾多？買幾多？買唔買筆？買唔買筆？買唔買筆？
Okay, so let's listen to all of them.
嗰個幾錢？買幾多？買唔買筆？
Alright. So let's see the answer of this part.
嗰個幾錢？嗰個幾錢？
嗰個幾錢？
買幾多？買幾多？
How many do you want to buy? How many do you buy?
買唔買筆？
Do you buy the pen?
買唔買筆？
Right. Okay, the second part is the elaborate sentences. So it's longer.
我有錢。我有錢。我有錢。
Okay, pretty easy.
我有筆。我有筆。我有筆。
But is the pen.
我有一支筆。我有一支筆。我有一支筆。
Alright, that's the answer here.
我有錢。我有筆。我有一支筆。
Alright, so the next one will be hard. So it will be shown in the next video.